Hello and welcome back to Chemistry That Builds, a podcast by Prashita Associates. I'm Ria, your technical guide for today.
And I'm Arav, your on-site and market voice. Today we're focusing on a product that restores concrete structures with confidence, Semscreed HM.
Yes, Semscreed HM is a high-strength shrinkage-compensated cementitious microconcrete. It's specially formulated for structural repair and rehabilitation, where both flowability and strength matter.
So basically when a column or beam is damaged or has lost its section, this is what you'd use to rebuild it without vibration?
Exactly. It's a pre-packed blend of high-quality cement, graded aggregates, and special additives. You just add water on site and it becomes a free-flowing, non-shrink microconcrete that can be poured or pumped into place.
That means less labor and no compaction issues. I've seen sites where they poured Semscreed HM into congested reinforcement zones and it spread beautifully. No honeycombing, no voids.
That's the magic of its formulation. It expands slightly in the plastic state, compensating for shrinkage and ensuring perfect bonding with old concrete. It gains strength quickly and achieves high ultimate strength with low permeability, so it's both durable and reliable.
Imagine bridge piers or beam jackets, where formwork is tight and reinforcement is dense. Pumping a fluid high-strength material like Semscreed HM is the only practical way to get complete coverage.
Absolutely. But surface prep is key. Remove all loose concrete, clean rust from rebars, and coat them with Safecore R for protection. Before pouring, apply Fairbond EP, a slow-setting epoxy bonding agent, to ensure excellent adhesion between the old and the new concrete.
And for the formwork, it must be watertight to hold the mix pressure, right?
Yes, completely leak-proof. Apply a release agent like Set Release and provide vents to avoid air entrapment during pouring or pumping.
What about mixing and placement?
Mix mechanically with a paddle or concrete mixer at about 400 to 500 rpm. Add the recommended water. Mix for 3 to 5 minutes until homogeneous. For larger volumes, you can extend it with up to 12 mm clean, saturated, surface dry aggregates. Once mixed, place immediately. No delays.
And curing, never skip that part.
Start curing within 2 hours of placement and continue for at least 7 days. Proper curing locks in density and strength.
How is it supplied?
It's available in 25 kg woven bags with a shelf life of 6 months when stored cool and dry. Safe to handle, it's non-toxic and chloride-free, but always use gloves, goggles and masks.
So, in short, easy to mix, self-flowing, non-shrink, high early strength, long-term durability, and perfect for major structural repairs.
Exactly. Whether it's bridge decks, beams or columns, Semscreed HM delivers dependable performance every time.
For more information or technical guidance, visit www.prashita.net or contact our team.
Thanks for listening to Chemistry That Builds.
Until next
let's say
time, build strong, build smart.